Hi, this is Drew Taylor coming in from one of our newest Pelham listings, 330 Kinross Circle here in the beautiful Kinross neighborhood in Ballantrae. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home features 2 bedrooms on the main level, all exquisite upgraded hardwoods on the main level, and so many upgrades as you're going to see in the video, from the kitchen behind me to the master ensuite to the master bedroom ceiling, the extended covered back patio, fenced in big backyard. So many upgrades we can't talk about it right here, but you're going to see it in the great video. Also located in the highly sought after planned community of Ballantrae, which features one of the award-winning golf courses in our area, Ballantrae Country Club, as you're going to see in the video as well. On-site swim club as well, neighborhood swim club, which is great to have, especially coming out of these upcoming summer months. So be sure to check out 330 Kinross on our website, mindyourbirminghamhome.com. Call your Team Taylor agent to schedule a showing. We'd love to see you here.